Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn what is pH and pOH scale. So in 1909 a chemist Sorensen proposed a scale for the measurement of strength of acid and base. And this scale is called pH or pOH scale. Here P stands for the potential of hydrogen. The pH scale measures the acidic or basic nature of the solution, and this scale have a range from 0 to 14. The acidity or the basicity of an aqueous solution depends upon the relative number of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion concentration present in the solution. So first we will discuss what is a pH. We can define the pH as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, and if we have the concentration of hydrogen ions are 10 raised to power minus 7, then we will put the value of hydrogen ion concentration into this equation. After calculating this mathematically, we can get the pH of this solution is 7. Similarly, we can define the pOH as the pOH of a solution is defined as the negative log of molar concentration of hydroxide ion. So we can write it as the pOH is equal to the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. And if we take the example that a solution having OH concentration or 10 raised to power minus 7, then we will put the value of hydroxide ion concentration in this expression, and after calculating this mathematically we get the pOH as 7. Now if we look at the pH scale, the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The solution having pH 7 and pOH also the 7, the solution will be the neutral solution. So a neutral solution is that solution in which the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion are equal. By this diagram we can understand the value of pH, pOH and the concentration of hydrogen ion. For example, we have a solution having the concentration of hydrogen ion are 10 raised to power minus 5. We can put the value of concentration of hydrogen ion and we can calculate. If the pOH value is 6, then the pH value is 8. Similarly, if the pH value is 14, then the pOH value is 0. That's for all today the learner. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.